Well, hello and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. My name is Kanabali and you are watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel. हम यहाँ जुड़े हैं आपके साथ to talk about ICC's latest rankings about the recently concluded T20 World Cup 2024 जो कि खेला गया था कहाँ पर USA और वेस्ट इंडीज में. Throughout the World Cup pitches को लेके काफी सवाल उठ रहे थे, काफी कुछ कहा जा रहा था. Many former cricketers commented on it, many fans commented on it, especially all the pitches in the New York Stadium. उसी के regarding ICC has put out the ratings for the pitch, and these ratings are they have a big question mark over them. Well, with me I have Sahil Malhotra, who has recently broke this news, and he has talked about in detail in his article. You can read that article on the News 18 website. For with me, as I said, I have Sahil Malhotra, and he'll share his thoughts on the ICC pitch remarks and ratings that they have given. Sahil, thank you so much for talking to us. I'll throw the podium to you. What do you have to say? क्या क्या हुआ है? रेट हमने पिच खुद एज अ फैन हमने देखी. वी वर नॉट हैप्पी विद इट. बहुत सवाल थे, लेकिन रेटिंग्स ये नहीं कह रही है. रेटिंग्स किसी और दिशा में लेके जा रही है. व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन इट?
Kanav, before we even get to the ratings, I think it's important to first wrap our head around how these ratings actually came into public domain. There wasn't a single ICC press release. There wasn't a single ICC tweet. There wasn't a single ICC Facebook post. There wasn't a single ICC Insta story. They have social media handles where the followers are in millions, but the global cricket body chose not to share it on any of the social media platforms. Instead, बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टैब है इनकी वेबसाइट के ऊपर, जहां आप अबाउट में जाइए, क्रिकेट में जाइए, पिच रेटिंग्स पे जाइए, वहां आपको पिच रेटिंग्स का एक साफ सुथरा स्प्रेडशीट बना हुआ मिलेगा. नाउ जस्ट टेल मी वन थिंग, अगर ये शायद और 100 दिन रुकना पड़ जाता देखने के लिए कि पिच रेटिंग्स एक्चुअली थी क्या. Mind you, June 29th was the day India beat South Africa in that final. They won the T20 World Cup. It has been 52 days since that, and ICC took 52 days to kind of come to a scientific formula of giving ratings to the pitches, which are absolutely horrible throughout the World Cup. But as you said, the spreadsheet suggests otherwise, and I've been shocked seeing the leniency which the ICC has kind of displayed while giving the ratings which we see on the screen right now.
Yeah, it is a bit shocking, but जैसे कि आपने कहा, the thing you started with, के it was not publicized. Usually what ICC does is, this is for all the fans, whenever they put out something, ratings or anything regarding world cricket, they do a press release, they make it social on their platforms that there is a press document, there are certain ratings that we have put out, you can please go on to this particular link and read it. But this time, as Sahil said, कि अगर खुद जाके नहीं देखते तो we wouldn't have known कि these kind of ratings have put down. But साहिल, जैसे कि मैंने कहा था अपने पहले सवाल में कि जो हमने देखा और जो ये रेटिंग्स है, there are two very different things. What could be the reason? What do you think were they seeing in the pitches जो हमने नहीं देखा, and how do you personally see these ratings?
I think they are a joke, Kanav. June 6th, June 6th, right after India's Ireland game, I think, जिसको इन्होंने unsatisfactory rating दिया है. Unsatisfactory तो छोड़ो, poor होना चाहिए था. That was a poor pitch. मतलब जो सबसे गंदा रेटिंग है वो तो. जून 6 को आईसीसी ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया, बहुत जेनरिक 2 पैराग्राफ्स आए थे जहां पे वो लोग बात कर रहे थे, हम ये करेंगे, हम वो करेंगे. ड्रामेटिकली आप देखो, जैसे ही वो प्रेस रिलीज आया 6 तारीख को, उसके बाद आप स्लोली ट्रेंड देखो. इंडिया के जो लास्ट 2 टेस्ट मैचेस हैं, आउटफील्ड की रेटिंग पे नजर डालो, कैसे वो सैटिस्फैक्टरी से वेरी गुड बन जाती है. लेट मी रिमाइंड यू द व्यूअर्स, very good rating was given to the 2023 ODI World Cup final venue, Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, which is a world-class venue. Now you are telling me, or the people in the ICC are telling me, a full-fledged test center had the same outfield as that horrible piece of joke where you can hold a circus at the Nassau County. न्यूयॉर्क के अंदर जो आउटफील्ड था, ये लोग कह रहे हैं अहमदाबाद के लेवल पे था, तभी इन्होंने वेरी गुड कर दिया. और अब देखो 9 तारीख के इंडिया के मैच के बाद या 10 तारीख के मैच के बाद अगले दिन ही आउटफील्ड ड्रामेटिकली वेरी गुड बन गया. तो क्या, कौन सा जड़ी बूटी डाला, कौन सा फर्टिलाइजर डाला, क्या करा, बिकॉज दैट आउटफील्ड वाज अनसेफ फॉर क्रिकेट. Many former cricketers have said that it was borderline dangerous for cricket. The likes of Michael Vaughan, the likes of Andy Flower. I spoke to so many pitch curators and ground outfield experts who were of the opinion that this is a breeding ground for injuries. The outfield like this, heavy outfield, puff of sand coming every time you slide. This was borderline dangerous, and these ratings, they are a joke. That is why ICC was worried. That is why there is no press release. People in the ICC are already packing their bags, leaving the offices. All they want is an honorary exit. No one wants to leave with a dirty baggage. But mind you, this is nothing but dirt. This is dirt. This is crap. This is not pitch rating, boss. The pitches in New York weren't satisfactory. The outfield wasn't very good. It was dangerous. The pitch was horrible. Accept that. अगर आप एवरेज रेटिंग दे रहे हो ईडन गार्डन्स को, और इन्होंने एवरेज कहाँ दिया, वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल के पिच को भी इन्होंने एवरेज बोला 2023 के, अगर वो एवरेज है, दिस इज हॉरिबल. एक्सेप्ट दैट.
Yeah, basically what you are trying to say is that the people who are leaving the offices are trying to clear their image that we did good work in the World Cup and everything was good, the pitch was good, the outfield was good. I think this could be the only outcome कि यही reason है, because fans पूछेंगे कि क्या reason हो सकता है कि उन्होंने बावजूद इसके कि the pitch and the outfield were not up to the mark, they have given it satisfactory and very good. Can we say this is the only reason that they want to clear their image while they are leaving the offices?
Absolutely, Kanav, I am 100% sure on that. ये एक narrative build किया जा रहा है कि जाने से पहले, like, you have to put across an impression that the World Cup was held brilliantly, there were no issues. Just wait for that forensic audit to complete, which is supposed to complete by the end of the year. जब वो cultural review होगा, जब वो forensic audit होगा, उसके अंदर आपको इतनी चीजें देखने को मिलेंगी जो गलत हुई, जो हम रिपीटेडली क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट पे एक साल से बोल रहे थे, जो इश्यूज हो सकते थे, वो एक्चुअली हो गए. एंड आईसीसी वाज स्टबर्न, आईसीसी वाज एडमेंट. दे हैड अ पॉइंट टू प्रूव, आई डोंट नो टू हु, बट इन ट्राइंग टू प्रूव दैट पॉइंट, दिस इज द satisfactory unsatisfactory drama which they are.
Yeah. Absolutely, यार ये बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है, and I'm pretty sure now that Cricket Next has broken this news. People will talk about it. Fans will read your piece. They will see this video and they will ask questions, which is the right thing to do. As to why are we seeing this satisfactory and very good remarks, whereas the two picture was completely different. And this is what we here at Cricket Next can do our best. We can bring the truth out and let it be in the front news for you guys to read, for the fans to read. Thank you so much, Sahil, first of all, for breaking this news and bringing it to the public platform, fans के देखने के लिए, fans के पढ़ने के लिए. And again, thank you so much for connecting with us. Thank you so much to all our viewers हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. ऐसे ही और breaking news आपको Cricket Next पे मिलती रहेंगी. Latest news regarding anything and everything related to world cricket. All you need to do is subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon. Follow us across all our social media platforms. Until then, please take care of yourself and have a nice day.